believe it was last week that I said that I was gonna be on Friday and change of plans. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stop promising and I'm just gonna, if I know for sure that I'm gonna